Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in InShot. So all you have to do right now is install and open this InShot. It's very good video editor for you. This is the Android version. So let's open the video, the project that you want to remove the noise. Here for example, all you have to do is try to search volume a. You can tap the video volume feature, this one. So in this volume feature option, you can increase the volume, you can decrease, so you can use the noise. This one, the noise feature allow you to remove background noise. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click next button below. See you in the next video.